In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and recover deleted messages in Microsoft Teams. Let's dive right into this process, which can be incredibly helpful if you find yourself needing to retrieve important information from your Teams chat history. First things first, open your Microsoft Teams application and ensure you're logged into the appropriate workspace. If you're using the desktop version, you'll likely find it pinned to your taskbar or in your Start menu. For those using the web-based version, simply navigate to teams.microsoft.com and enter your login credentials. Once inside the Teams environment, head to the left-hand sidebar and locate the Chat option. This section contains all your recent conversations, and you're going to want to scroll through to find the chat containing the message that was deleted. Don't worry if you can't recall the exact chat thread. Patience is key as you sift through past conversations. Now, let's address an important aspect: deleted messages. Microsoft Teams allows for messages to be deleted, but those can't be recovered directly within the chat interface once they're gone. Instead, you'll have to utilize a bit of workaround. This involves checking your email, particularly if your organization uses Microsoft Outlook in conjunction with Teams, as sometimes, deleted messages might be sent to your email as part of a conversation log. Next, head over to your Outlook account, find the email associated with your Teams account, and log in. Once there, navigate to the Deleted Items folder, or for more comprehensive searching, you may use the search bar at the top of the page. Type in keywords related to the conversation or the names of the participants involved to narrow down your search. Remember, if the message was contained within a channel rather than a direct chat, you might need to explore the group's email notification settings to determine if the message had been emailed out as part of the thread. As you sift through emails, you'll come across conversation logs that will mimic the chat format from your Teams application. It's helpful to pay attention to the date and time to align with when you believe the message was sent and subsequently deleted. While this method does not guarantee recovery of all deleted messages, it presents the best approach to retrieving any potential records. And there you have it, your guide on locating and recovering deleted messages in Microsoft Teams. It's important to stay calm and thorough during this process, increasing your chances of retrieving the essential information you need. Always remember to double-check your search terms and thoroughly explore both your Teams and Outlook accounts. If all else fails, consider reaching out to your IT department or system administrator, who may have access to more comprehensive recovery tools tailored to your organization's setup. Thank you for joining me today, and as always, happy communicating on Teams.